Good day, everyone. Today I'll show you how to play basketball. My everyday activities after school. First, I'm going to use my basketball t-shirt and shoes. Next, I'm going to the basketball court. Then I play basketball. Finally, after 1 hour, I finished playing basketball. Thank you for watching. Playing basketball is good for our body. It makes us strong and healthy. Thank you.